Hey friends, I'm Tasia, and in this video, I'll share my top 10 Amazon Echo skills and features. Amazon doubled Alexa's available skills in 2018, so get ready to work with her like never before. Alright, first, I promise not to say Echo's wake word anymore in this video. I just know how much you guys loved me saying that in my last Echo video. I'll refer to her as your Amazon or Echo assistant. And second, this is meant as a really quick overview list of my favorite skills and features. If you guys want more detailed how-tos on any of the things I mentioned, just let me know in the comments below. Okay, so first up, use routines. This is something I also went over in Google Home, and you can check that video out right here. Amazon routines let you combine a bunch of actions into one command. Your companion app will help you get started here by featuring two preset routines, a good night and a good morning routine. But you can create any type of routine you like and customize any routine with specific actions that happen upon your command.
Good morning. Good morning. And happy old rock day. But don't go dusting off your guitar just yet. We're talking about geology and fossils.
Number 2 is something I use every single morning and is a good alternative if you don't have routines set up. I just simply ask my Echo Assistant, what's in the news? I curated my favorite news sources for this one, so now when she's asked, I get a complete news overview every single morning.
Here's your flash briefing from ABC News. Here are your latest headlines.
Coming in at number 3, control your smart home. Duh! Use your Echo device to control any smart home device you have connected. I do this a lot with my Nest thermostat, so I don't have to stop what I'm doing just to adjust the temperature.
Set thermostat to 67. The heat's set to 67.
Number 4, try asking your Echo Assistant, what's up? This is a fun one to get your assistant to tell you something new and random.
Good afternoon. Here's what's up. Did you hear? A pair of Lego video games are no longer available online.
Number 5, stream your favorite radio station or podcast. Your Echo gives you access to a ton of radio stations and podcasts. All you have to do is ask her to play your favorite station or podcast. Bonus, did you know you can also listen to your Kindle books?
Getting the latest episode of My Favorite Murder with Karen Kilgariff and Georgia Hardstark. Here it is from TuneIn.
Number 6 on my list, get even deeper with your audio controls. The companion app allows you to further adjust the volume of any device you have. You can tweak the bass, the mid, and treble. Number 7, connect your phone. Just simply ask your assistant, connect my phone, and your Echo uses Bluetooth to do so. If you haven't set it up yet, just follow the prompts to easily do so. Now you can listen to your tunes from a better speaker than your smartphone. And don't forget to say, disconnect from my phone when you're done. Number 8, audio and video calls. This is another one that requires your phone connection, so your assistant can make calls to most mobile and landline numbers in the US, Canada, and Mexico at no additional cost. Plus, if you have an Echo display, you'll be able to video call. Time for number 9, notifications. That's right, you can receive notifications via your Echo device. If you have a speaker, it can light up to inform you that a package has shipped or arrived. And if you have an Echo display, the screen will show you the notification. This is all set up in the settings section of your companion app. Pretty neat. Rounding out number 10 on my list, use your Echo device to hail a ride. Enable the Lyft or Uber skill to simply ask your assistant for a ride. You're also able to ask for ride estimates and leave driver ratings too. Who knew what your Echo could do? What are some of your favorite skills and features? Let me know in the comments below. As always, you can click right about here to subscribe to my channel, or about here to watch another video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I want to know, so give it a like, a share, or leave a comment below. See you next time.